What's going on, everybody? Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT4o with Canvas. I was super excited when this launched because it gives you now an opportunity to collaborate with ChatGPT on articles, blog posts, anything that you're writing, business plans, etc., as well as code if you do coding. So I'm super excited about these features and I'm going to walk you through them today. So let's check it out. So first, what I wanted to do is I'm going to have it write an article, showcasing the business plans and pitfalls of Kmart versus Walmart, Reebok versus Nike, Kodak and what it did in the digital era, BlackBerry versus iPhone, Blockbuster versus Netflix. So some interesting stories. If you don't know about these, you should know, but you're going to actually learn about them if you don't. The first thing I want you to showcase here, and let me move myself a little bit. So you'll notice here on the left side, what it did was it opened up an area to where I can chat with it. And then here on this side, it built out the entire, article, if you will, of what I'm looking for. Now, what you'll notice here is there's something here on the right side. This is where the magic happens and where you can edit. So you can click suggest edit. So let's do that. What this is going to do is it's going to reread everything and it's going to go through it and suggest edits that you should do. So really cool. So you can see here, you've got consider elaborating on specific examples of inconsistent branding. So I'm gonna hit apply. And this is where the beauty works and the magic happens. You'll notice that it's going to work. It's going to think about it for a second. And then it's going to change just this section of those recommendations. So you can go through these and click apply to all of them if you want to. And you'll notice again that basically for every single one, it has different suggestions that you can click on. This one, consider adding a comparison of BlackBerry strategy to Apple's. So let's hit apply. It sounds like a good one that I should do. So this is some of the magic. Now, let's say that, so I did all those. Now let's say, hey, I forgot that actually Sears was a big player in this era. So now what I can do is I can just click on this and you'll notice it says ask ChatGPT here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, let's do a add Sears in comparison to Kmart and Walmart, add Sears mistakes. I can hit that. Now the beauty of this is it actually will only change this paragraph, which is really cool, right? So you don't have to go back and have it rewrite everything, etc. Now it's just going to add in Sears as part of, here it is, Sears has struggled, etc. So it'll add in that element of it. Now, let's say, I read through this and I want to adjust the length. So I can make it longer, I can make it shorter. So based on this, let's make it a little bit longer. I'm going to hit go. And what it's going to do now is it's going to rewrite this entire thing and it's going to make it, you'll see here on the left side, 50% longer. So it just made it 50% longer, just like that. So now let's take a look what else we can do. Reading level. So I can go to all the way to graduate school or I can go to middle school or kindergarten. So let's change this to middle school just in case. We want to make sure that all the readers can be able to see this. And notice what you'll see is it's going and it's editing this entire thing and it's making it more of an 8th grade reading level. Really, really fascinating. So, and again, you can change. So let's say you want to have it for different things. Maybe you want one for a post. Maybe you want one for more academia or to business executives. You can change that based upon what you want to do. Now you can say add final polish. What this does is it then goes back and it formats it. So you can kind of see, like if I'm doing it in an article style, I can go back and I can format this with bold, not columns, but sections, etc. So, again, pretty amazing at the different things that you can do. You can also, if you noticed here, once this is done, I'll show you can do the emojis. Now, I will say I did emojis on one thing and it's way too too much. Emojis too much here. So not going to use that. The other interesting thing here is you can also even do this. So watch this. This was pretty cool. So I'm going to say, let's say trends to French. Let's just be interesting here. So you can in the article itself, you can go in and you can translate to French. Let's see what we do here. Boom, there you go. So it didn't work the first time, worked the second time here. So you can see just directly in it, you can change it to French, you can change it to different languages, etc. So this is your kind of quick overview of ChatGPT4o with Canvas. So pretty amazing stuff. You could see this displacing Google Docs or any other type of docs that you have, and you can collaborate and work on this together. So it's super impactful. I suggest you take it for a spin.